I'm just going to do a quick run through of Alpaka Presence, which is one of Alpaka's most popular features. It's a time and attendance feature whereby you use a regular smartphone on your regular Wi-Fi to create points where people can clock in and clock out using a PIN code or a QR code. And the other device is only to show you how the results are digested and we can process them in admin. So I will put in my PIN and hit enter. Oh, randomly it wants to take a photograph of me to make sure it's me. It's happy with that result. That result now goes to the cloud, and on this device, it doesn't have to be a foot away, it can be anywhere in the world. We can see the results coming in, and this result shows that I arrived in Birmingham, which is one of our locations. That's me. I pressed the enter button. There's the time that I arrived. I've yet to leave, so I'm at work presently, so it's pending a second result. It took that photograph, didn't it? There it is. And when the second result comes in, it will reveal the natural duration of my time at work, so every single minute I was here. And then it calculates a payable duration, which could subtract unpaid breaks and compare it against a rota to know how long I was actually at work in the payable duration. And all of that stuff is packaged and turned into a payroll export that you can rely on. The status of those readings changes based on Alpaka's confidence that it was what you wanted. So if I was late or it was short, it would raise an issue, and the issues rise to the top for someone to deal with. But if it matches perfectly and I was early enough and left late enough, meaning the minutes before and after my shift, if everything was happy, it'll give me a green light and it'll mark it as complete. And those results don't really need a human review. So Alpaka typically replaces paper-based systems or Excel file systems. It changes very quickly in your workplace how people behave with their time and attendance, and it's a good modifier of behavior. It's also a good way to make sure that you're paying people exactly what you should be. And the payroll exports obviously save many hours of time each month as you create your payrolls.